In this AutoCAD tutorial, we are going to draw the three views for positioning stop. We are going to use this drawing to draw top, front, and side view in AutoCAD. So the dimensions are given, and these dimensions are in inches. Okay, so I am going to open new, and here first I am going to verify the units. The units are already in inches, but just verify it, and it's in inches. Okay. So now next I am going to activate this snap mode, and I am going to select the line tool, and I am going to draw a line of 4 inches, and make sure this is also checked on, so we can only draw the vertical and horizontal line. So first line from here we are going to draw it, and this line is 4 inches. So basically first we are going to draw the front view, and this line is 1.75 inches. So like that we have these two lines, then again a line, and this line will be from this point and make it in upward direction, and this will be again 1.75. Okay, that's good. And now go to line tool, and now we want to draw a line from this midpoint of this line. So we have to check the midpoint here. So this snap feature, expand it, and here midpoint. And now when you move your cursor to the mid, it will be activated this midpoint. We can also track this one like that. This green line is showing, it's basically tracking this midpoint. Okay, so from this point to the vertical direction, we needed to draw a line of 2.5, 2 point, sorry, 2.5 mm. Its length. Okay, now in the middle, we have to draw a line again, and this line is 1.25. So line, draw a line, select line tool, and draw a vertical line, and give its dimension 1.25. So we have this line. Now we have to move this line in the middle of this endpoint. Okay, so move tool, I am going to select this one and then press enter. It will ask to specify the base point. So this middle will be base point. Now you can see we can move this line, and we will move to the end point of this line like that. Now this line is moved, and this line we don't needed it. So just select and press delete and line tool, and from this point to this point align, and again line tool, and from this point to this point again a line. So we have this feature here. Next we have to draw a circle. So for this circle, I'm going to draw a rectangle. So this will be just a construction. So from this point to like that, so the length is 2, and then press tab, and this dimension is 1.25. So it will give us this point where we have to draw a circle, and for this circle, we are going to select the circle tool, and from this point we are going to draw this circle. So the dimension of this circle is given, and we can make it like 1.25. Sorry, its radius, its diameter 1.25, like that. And this one we don't need it. And again we have to draw a circle here. So for that circle we have to draw this position dimension. It's zero point 0.5, then press tab and zero point 0.5, and here we have this position of this circle, and for this circle its radius is 0.25. So 0.25, good. And this one we don't need it, so just delete it. Okay, and this circle we have to mirror it on this side. So select mirror tool, and this is the object, then press enter or right click, and this midpoint will be the center, and move it in vertical direction, and as you can see it's mirrored. Erase source object, no. So we have this, these are drawn here, and here we can add the layer properties because we want to specify the center point of these circle, and we also want to specify the hidden. So layer properties we can use it. So layer are basically used to display the objects and different parts of the drawing, like the hidden lines, center lines, construction lines. And here you can see I already draw some some layers. So if you click here, you can add a layer and you can name it. You can change the color from here. You can change the line type. You can change the line weight from here. Okay, so all of these lines, if I go to my layer properties here, I have contours. So all of these are the solid lines, which I name them to contours. And this is basically only the front view. Now we needed to add the top view and the side view, which we can draw it easily. So next I am going to add a layer which is for construction. So this is for construction, and I'm going to select a line tool, and I'm going to draw a line like that. And this line I'm going to mirror it to 2.5. So from this one I'm going to mirror it like that, and again mirror, press enter, 2.5. So basically we have a line in the middle, this one. So in the drawing, this is the front view, and here we will have this line will be become the line for our side view. And same way from this point. So these are just for our reference, these are not that important. So this one 2.5 like that, and this one 2.5, and we can delete this one, and we can delete this one. So now we can start our work from here. So for this top view, we are going to draw some construction line. So basically we are transferring this view. So draw a line like that, and again a line from here, this point to this point. We can trim this line, or we can also delete this line. And now go to contours and draw a line like that. So basically we are transferring our view. So we next, the thickness will be 2.5. So here 0.25 like that, and just select the line tool like that, to close this one. Okay, so now we have to transfer this point and this point on this view. So for that I'm going to go to the construction. So like that. Now I can midpoint, endpoint, section. So go here. We can trim the extra portion, and also for these circles. So from line, and here I am going to endpoint and also quadrant, or we can also select the tangent. So this quadrant I'm going to draw line like that. So this is transfer line for this circle, and same way here. So this line will be tell us where we have the hidden lines on this view, because this view will have hidden lines. from this point to till this line. I am having some extra, so this I am going to delete it. Okay, now I'm going to go to the contours, and this view, these two edges we will see on this view. So line tool, I'm going to draw a line, and here if you press the shift and right and you just click the section, now this will intersect on this point. Line tool on this end point, and then shift right click, and we want intersection on this line. We are going to draw a line like that, and then we are going to right click, and we can also repeat the line. Again, repeat line, and trim tool, trim all of these by holding the right mouse button. So here we can see this line, these two lines, these are telling us here we have the hidden line. So I'm going to select these two lines and change its layer to hidden lines. And same way these two, and I'm going to change it to hidden lines. And here if we see in the properties, the hidden line type is hidden, but here you can see it's showing the complete line. It's not a hidden line type because our size of the drawing is very big, the scale. So LTS scale, so 0.5. Now you can see it's showing its hidden. LTS again type, if it's very small, 0.25, and now it's showing its hidden line. And hidden line fact, this circle will be not shown because it's this point and this tangent or this quadrant will have on the same line. And whenever we have a hidden line and a visible line, then the visible line will dominate. So that's why we don't have a hidden line here. So we can also hide these construction lines we want, because these are only for construction. It's helping us transfer our view from one view to another view. So but we needed that from this side. So again, go to construction, and we are going to draw a construction line like that. Again, line type and construction line like that. So use the trim tool. I am going to trim this. Also we don't need, and we don't need this thing. Okay, go to contours, line, and from this point to this one, and again on the right side it will be 0.25 till this point, and close it like that. And we don't need to transfer the top view to the side view. We only have to draw to show these transfer these hidden lines for this right side view. So go to construction and just select this quadrant, draw a line like that, and again from this quadrant like that, and also for this circle like that, and also from this side. And this circle and this circle will have same construction line, and these extra things we can remove it like that. And now go to hidden lines, line for this circle, like that. Again line for this circle, and again line for this circle, again line for this circle. Okay, so now just trim all of these extra, and here we have this view. No, we don't need this construction line, so I'm just going to hide it. And we have to put the center mark. So activate the center layer and go to annotate, and here center mark for this one, for this one, and for this one. And we can use this center mark for this and this, and repeat center mark for this and this. And same way we need center mark, we need center mark from this and this, and center mark between this and, sorry, this is wrong. So basically a center mark between this top face and this face, and a center mark between this face and this lower face, like that. So basically center mark will tell us that here we have this center of this cylindrical hole. So this is the drawing, and we can also add dimensions. So go to dimension, activate the dimension layer, and like that, like that, from this point to this point, and go here, and diameter, like that, diameter for this one, and dimension this point to this, like that, this point to this point, like that, and also from this point and this point and this point, and place it here, and we can move it like that. This one we can move it like that, and also dimension this. So now we have completed our drawing. So this is drawing for the positioning dimension. Thank you so much. Comment if you want me to draw anything.